Hi guys! Ryan here. For those of you na hindi pa alam ang Celebi Philippines or Celebi, it's an app that allows you to share reels. And it has a really big audience. Hindi lang siya sa Philippines. Since I started working with Celebi and uploading in Celebi, sobrang dami ko nang na-achieve. Ngayon, I have at least 62,000 followers. And kung hindi nyo alam, whenever you upload in Celebi, you get points sa pag-check-in ng attendance, pag-a-upload, and kapag view ng mga tao yung mga content mo. In the last 3 or 4 months na nakapag-upload ako sa Celebi ng mga video, I have probably earned already over 50,000 pesos, and there's no exaggeration there. Sa Celebi